7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hello guys, it's Isra here. We're continuing from last time. In my previous video, we have been talking about how to use all the icons, some of the icons, in Tinkercad, the most important ones. And this video is another video of how to use other icons. And yeah. Actually, last time, I forgot to tell you one important thing. The saving. There's no icon as saving. In Tinkercad saves your model automatically. And you don't need to save it. It's automatic. And also, let's just get in here. Just go in there. Tab. Okay. I am going to bring a cube here, okay? And here, look. Okay. So, I am going to do a rotation. There's another type of rotation, like this. Look. You can type in here 90 degrees or something. 90. And yeah, it turned. So how about we do it with a cylinder? It's much more easier to see. So how about 90 degrees? 90. Ooh, it's there. It has turned 90 degrees. Or yeah, and also there's like one here to go like turn like that, or here to like how about like how about 90 degrees and turns like that. So yeah, and there's another thing. If you want to change the dimensions, for example here, look, it says 20 and here it says 20. You can just click on one of them and change the dimension. How about like 6? Oh my goodness. Yeah, so it's like, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, you see? So, I'm just gonna tell you that. You can actually like even change the dimension in the top, like how much small you want it to be, like, yeah. Okay. And there's another thing that you could do. So, for example, here there's a square. You want the edges not to be sharp. You want the edges to be soft. So you go here in the top right corner. It's right. There's a radio thing. You can actually like look at that. It's it's curving curving the corners, and look, just imagine how it would feel in real life. Yeah, it would feel so nice. But this, it's gonna feel sharp and not that good. And here, there's another thing that I want to show you. Look, in the cylinder, you have this option like sides. Like you can have so much sides. Like how about like 13 sides, or how about like 32 sides? Like yeah, you can see these slides here. 1, 2. Yeah, it takes a long time to. And a bevel makes it even sharper. Like it makes it sharper. Like you see this sharp edge. So yeah. And how about we turn that back? How about a segment? A segment makes it softer. So let's see. Yeah. And then it's working. Oh, I mean a bevel makes it softer. And a segment makes it sharper. Why didn't it work that time? Okay. Let's turn that back. Look at that. It will feel so nice. Okay. Oh my goodness. I guess you could do more than that, I guess. No? You can't do it with a triangle. You can't. How about this? No. No. I guess it's only for the, box and the cylinder. So, I don't know, but maybe. Let me just see. Steps. See what happens with this. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Okay. Oh my goodness. It makes steps? Seriously. My goodness, a circle turns into like that type of shape. Seriously, look at it. Okay, yeah. You know what? There is like an awesome thing. You might like it. I know it's going to be awesome. What happened? Okay, just gonna put it here. Okay, get this. Yeah. So now, I'm gonna get smaller. And how about extra? And make it into another color or something. But this, yeah, that looks nice. Look at it. Oh my goodness, it looks so pretty. But you can, if lots of people do this. I've seen so much people make a Fortnite thing, like Fortnite. I don't know. I don't play Fortnite, and I don't play Fortnite, and so I don't know if this is how you spell Fortnite. Yeah. And there's another fun option. Here, it's called a scribble. If you press on it, there. You come to this page, and here you have like a moving dot. That moving dot is for drawing. You can draw whatever you want. How about a smiley face? Oh man. How about a smiley face? Look at that. It's a kid's smiley face. And this is how it would look if you come out of this place. And and this is for erasing. How about I erase that? Look, it's for erasing. If you want to erase this part. That looks crazy. Okay. Look, I have erased the top of the head of the smiley face. And this is how it would look if you come out of this. And this, you see the star and a pen here? This is like you can draw the whole thing. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now, that's how it would look. Well, if you want to delete this whole thing, there is thing to clear this whole thing. It's right here. It says clear here. Or you can do a fun way of clearing it. You can you see this star and a rubber here. You take that, and then you just do that. Take it all the way around. There. Oh my goodness, I guess I missed some pieces. Yeah. Okay, there's nothing. But I want to write extra here. Done. You click done. Okay? There, look. Extra. Sorry guys, my handwriting is so bad. So, you can even make it bigger or, do anything. You can even change the color. That doesn't look nice. My best color is blue. This is quite like turquoise. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Oh, I hope you enjoyed, guys, and I wish you would join me again, and stay tuned to watch some more. And please subscribe, comment, like, share, comment, whatever. So, see you later, guys. Bye.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.